Hi everyone, I'm Nicola from Elimee Designs, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the crossed double crochet stitch. So this stitch that you can see here, which is featured on our Sew Extra blanket. So I'm now going to demonstrate how to do this crossed over double crochet. I've got my work here. This is not a Sew Extra blanket, so it doesn't have the filet zigzags or diamonds. And I've got some contrasting yarn here, just that you can see exactly what I'm doing. So first of all, you're going to make a slip knot. Pop your hook in, tighten it up, and we're going to attach it to our work using a slip stitch into that very first stitch of the row. There we go. Then tug on the end gently just to tighten things up, and chain one. We're then going to place a double crochet into that first stitch where we put our slip stitch, like so. Now we're going to start our crisscrosses. So yarn over, skip that first stitch and place the hook into that next stitch and do your double crochet. Next, you're going to yarn over, you're going to tip your work forwards, and you're going to place your hook into that stitch that you skipped and complete your double crochet. There we go. So we are simply going to repeat that over and over along the row, and I will do a couple just so that you can see exactly what it will look like. So exactly as before, you skip a stitch, place a double crochet, tip your work, go into that skipped stitch and do a double crochet, and then just keep going. Just going to tug on my yarn. There we go. So I've done a couple now. And as you can see, they now bear a good resemblance to these crossed over double crochets here. Once you have finished your transition row, depending on where you are, if you are making this blanket, you might be going into a filet section, you might be going into a large egg section, or, let's just move the end, you might be going into a small egg section. So I do hope that you have found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below for me. And if there's any other parts of this pattern or any other pattern that you would like me to demonstrate, please just let me know. Bye bye.